Good afternoon, you guys. I almost said good morning, but we are well past that now. It's 12:38 p.m. I've been spending all morning basically doing house chores. As you can see, my room is a mess. I've been doing tons of laundry. I've been putting some more boxes in my car and getting things ready to go for my move, which if you hadn't watched my last vlog, definitely do that. I'm just now finishing editing it up, so it will be up by the time that this video goes up. So go check it out if you haven't already. That will fill you all in what's going on with me, what's about to happen, and yada yada yada. Tonight, we are going to a show. And by we, I mean my boyfriend and I, maybe Emily if I can convince her, but not sure yet. The show is in DC. We're seeing MOCHAKK. Ever seen, I think he's like Bass House, not too sure. But either way, today's going to be a very fun vlog. I can't wait to share with you guys the show again and get back into just like festival vlogging, show vlogging, and just getting back into it in general because I really have not been focused on that, as you guys can tell in my last vlog. But basically, I am feeling so much better, ready to party, ready to have fun. I also might be buying my Underbill ticket today. I don't know yet. I might have to wait till Monday, but I think that in the next couple days, I'm going to be buying my Yonderville ticket. Very last minute, okay? Yonderville's in like 2 weeks, but so bitches, get ready. Danny's back. Festival vlogging will be back. Also, if you're new here, hello, welcome. What an interesting way to introduce myself. I feel like I've been getting some new subscribers and not really like just welcoming you all. How rude of me. I'm so sorry. My name's Danielle. I'm a lifestyle content creator, but I imagine that you probably had found me from some of my festival vlogs. I love music. Music is my life. I love music of all kinds. And because I like to share my life and a little bit of everything, I started sharing my life about festivals a few years ago. And y'all love that shit. And I love meeting you guys at these events during my daily life or whatever, like during the daytime, my day job. I am a cosmetologist and I own my own business. So, like I said, I am jack of all trades, master of none. I do pretty much a little bit of everything and share pretty much all of it. But my main favorite thing to share about is festivals and like my hobbies and stuff because I love that. So, stay tuned because I got lots coming your way this summer and I'm so freaking excited. Several hours have passed and of course I am not ready yet because what is my life without always being in a hurry, always being super ADHD and losing track of time. I'm supposed to be ready hours ago and I'm not, period, but I'm almost ready. But anyway, as I was blow drying my hair, I was thinking obviously about my extensions and how I haven't really updated you guys like about what's been going on with my hair loss and like the extensions as a whole and everything like that. I'm gonna do a whole video eventually actually talking about all of it, like literally everything there is to know about my hair loss journey, the extensions. Just briefly talking about it, I absolutely love them. I now have had these since March. I got them because of all the things that I was doing, like the wedding and all that. I knew I was going to be in a lot of photos and I just wanted to look nice since I knew my hair was like just not looking good. I don't know what was going on with it. I still really don't, but I'm starting to believe that a lot of it is hormonal related. I mean, it could also be hereditary. It could also have been from COVID, back when I had COVID. I don't really know for sure. I'm still dealing with it every day. I feel like some pieces have been doing well, like especially in the back of my head, but other pieces are still fighting for life, like my front pieces, which sucks because my front pieces are the ones that are like what everybody sees. It's what I see. It's like when I'm editing videos, it's all I see. Taking pictures, it's all I see. So it does kind of suck that, of course, the part that I'm like really insecure about is like right in front of my freaking face. I think the only thing that's gonna help really is just like, well, first of all, not putting heat on it, but just like letting it do its thing and like taking really good care of the extensions and stuff. There's definitely been moments where I like just don't want to be in front of a camera, which also hinders my like video making and stuff like that. Yeah, it's been really hard. especially working in the industry, like you don't realize how like important it is for you to feel good. You know, like when you're busy making everybody else feel good, it's like really hard for like you to look at yourself and be like, I hate this. Now I'm finishing getting ready. I still have to move all my shit. I literally have not done anything today, and I honestly even forgot to eat, so now I gotta make time for that, and I will update you guys. I think the next time I'm gonna update you guys is probably like right before we go to the show, so stay tuned. Okay, I'm back on the shitty iPhone quality. Hopefully that doesn't bother you guys too much, but we are getting ready for the show. If you can hear the music, YouTube, no you can't. Don't flag me for this, even though I'm gonna get flagged anyway, because I always do. The shirts says Hot Girls Listen to Drum and Bass, and then I'm wearing my typical cow pants. I wear them everywhere. I'm gonna wear them with the docs. Will's laughing at me. Show them your outfit. But you gotta come over here because where are you going? Okay, so Will is wearing a Pretty Lake shirt that I made him wear, and then Closey sweatpants. Woo! He does not match and he does not care.
And we're the same size.
We're the same size and the Closey sweatpants. That's the OOTN, because I never show it. Like I always forget to show my outfit.
Baby.
Well, at least I do on YouTube, but on Instagram I always forget.
Let's go do some crack. Come on.
Okay. We're gonna go do some crack. See you guys later. Oh, by the way, vlog. Here is Will's new controller, DJ controller.
2 things you should know about buying used gear at Guitar Center. A, there's a law where you can't pick up your gear for 14 days. So I had to go pay for it and then wait 2 weeks and come back. B, they don't give you the power cord. And I went into Ace Hardware to try to buy a power cord and they looked at me like I was speaking Martian. They were like, what's that? So there's nowhere in Baltimore where you can buy a power cable, and I'm waiting for Amazon to deliver one. So right now I'm just sort of with my mouth waiting for it to show up.
Okay, we already know what our DJ name is. Tell everyone what our DJ name is.
I forgot.
Will Dan. Will Dan.
No, Wilden. Like Will.
Wilden.
Like, we can style it Will Dan, but it has to make sure we have to make sure people pronounce it Wilden.
Wilden. Yeah.
Right?
Yeah, because we're gonna collaborate. We're gonna be a couple DJ. Couple DJ. What is that called? Couple.
A jumble.
A couple.
A jumble.
Couple that DJs together. I don't know what that's called.
Couple that DJs together.
Stay together. Okay.
Now bring it around back with that beat.
Use the right 3 lanes to turn slightly right onto New York Avenue Northeast.
Okay, vlog. We made it. And surprisingly, we've actually been to this venue before. Who'd we see before?
Daily Bread.
Daily Bread, yes. So this is like a warehouse, technically. And there's some drama with it. Like, it's something about like not getting a permit or whatever. But anyways, I guess I got a permit because this is thy address. It's like on the side of a road. Here we are. Look at my shitty camera showing the lights.
Well, this show's actually in the CubeSmart.
Is it?
Yeah.
He was lying to me.
No, check it out.
Apparently it's over here. Anyways, wait, who are we seeing tonight? I don't even remember. MOCHAKK.
MOCHAKK.
Okay,
All the way
MOCHAKK.
from Brazil.
So this will be cool. I'm really excited to show you guys.